from all different structures. I say all protocol observed. I'm Ikeleng More. I'm currently serving as ECSF Sector Crime Forum. And then Upujomo, how we met, Upujomo was one of those members. Wokuthi magenzakala into erombe angene police station anganakanga ukuthi station command uzothini or genzwani. We had an incident yase Unity when we as a community and also as CPF decided ukuthi no, it can't be right that we have a problem in one of our schools that must shape the leaders of tomorrow. That is happening engekho right. Upujomo wathi no, comrades nabahlali, let us go in our numbers siyo yale siyolwela abantwana bethu, because even the next generation asazi ukuthi yiphi ezongena Unity. And through his intervention things were happening. Upujomo was, mina ngimbona as OR Tambo, he was very compassionate, he was selfless, he was a fighter. Mina ngimela ungikhulisile. I remember when E31 base figures aka December, we would move from Etaitoli Lubedu. Imagine how far that is. We would walk ema passage and it was safe. Hayi namhlanje la uzothi ungena ipassage kufunwa ifone yakho. It can't be right that we lose comrades abafana nabo comrade Jomo ngalendlela and nothing has been done. So sike sahlala nathi masiyibona, because we questioned station commander said to sit no man, if kufiwa kanje, like where's the visibility e policing, because thina simela umphakathi we need to report back ukuthi kenzakalani, because there are questions ukuthi basibuza umphakathi we need to respond. So he advised naye wathi, you know what, ngicela ukuthi nina as ama structures waselokishini nibhale incwadi nibhalele le phezulu ukuthi we need amaphoyisa eDavidson. Amaphoyisa are not enough. That I'm not gonna hide. Amaphoyisa awekho enough. And kunalento leyo ukuthi like nakhona mina into engiyibonayo they not working hand in glove. Ngizonitshela ukuthi why. Mawuqala ufuna amaphoyisa, you need to ukuthi sometimes uyayibona EMP van iyandlula. I wish futhi kube bebakhona. And then mabandlula, they don't attend to ama cases and it's of agents. So sacela ukuthi each and every problem mangabu khona, you are in the law enforcement attende umphakathi. And with that being said, minu comrade Joma, I just wanna say ukuthi ngicela ukuthi babu hambe kahle usibulisele le kubo Tambo ama comrade wakudala ube kade kuyi inspiration kuwe, ube umuntu obheka nasekhaya emuva, ubusisa umndeni wakini. Sithi kukhaya laka Nkosi nakhaya laka Mtawung. Blessed are those who mourn, for they shall be comforted. So ngalawo mazwi ngicela ukuyehla, ngiyabonga nokuthi nisibole kuJomo, a very selfless leader. Siyawisha ukuthi nangelinye ilanga we can find within us abo comrade or ama leaders within our community abafana no comrade Jomo, who will carry on the legacy of being compassionate and selfless. Ngiyabonga.